6 AM. It's Good Friday. The question of my life choices right now. Got to drive to Exeter. Let's go and get Jack up. Yo, Jack. Yellow and black army. Da, 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 da. Doing what? You're tired?
Yeah, just don't.
Time to get up, bro. Sha la 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 la. BAFC. Sha la 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 la. BAFC. Sha la 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 la. BAFC. 9:30. Jack Daniels and Coke just not hitting the spot now. Oh dear.
Tastes very nice.
Service scrum review. Bacon and black pudding.
With a bit of ash brown on the
Look at ash brown, look. Wow.
One league titles and I'm still dreaming of Greg Benson and Michael Simpson. Calvin Solar, scoring screamers. LKFC on the wing. Great affection. Pan scored at Preston. It was pure perfection. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think of you all the time.
Are you alright? Wow, look at that end, mate. That's class. I like that. This reminds me of the old car. A small car, but yeah.
Welcome back to the channel, S&J Brewers Fun TV. As you start the vlog a little bit late today, we are inside the ground already.
Yeah.
All the lads by the drum. High hopes for today, back in the 3-0 win at Huddersfield. Obviously these beat Rovers, but I'm going to go 2-1 Burton.
Yeah, I'm feeling positive. I think we've got to hope that we can try and get a result there today. I'm going to go 1-0 Brewers. It's been a bit of a drive down this morning, hasn't it, Jack?
Left the house at 7:05,
Yeah.
got here at what, 11:30?
Drove me to the Victoria Inn for a drink, which is up a bit of a steep hill. When you're my size, that tires you out pretty quick. But yeah, enjoy the action, guys. And before we go, thank you very much for all our new subscribers. We are at 975 subs. We are 25 away from that 1K target. So guys, I'm not going to ask much more. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. We would love to get to 1,000 before the end of the season. Let's get into the vlog.
Michael Simpson, Calvin Solar, scoring screamers. LKFC on the wing. We remember the call with great affection. The day that man scored at Preston. 1, 2, 3 was pure perfection. After scores again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me tell you that I love you, and I think of you all the time. Burton Stadium is calling me, and I'm going home.
Lads! What a save!
No, that goal did. You would have won that 1-0.
Well, Ryan.
Don't slip.
Touch your crossbar without your small man step.
Stadium is calling me. Go home.
Wow, that is fucking terrible.
How was he even trying to do a scrum? He's just Goal. Goal, Jack.
Well, you got that was fucking terrible.
Back in the car after Exeter City 0, Burton Albion 0. There we can tell not, but we are absolutely soaked. We've walked through the city centre to get some Cornish passes. Yes, we're in Devon. I'll have to get some passes while I'm down here. But we are absolutely wet through.
Yeah, that was not fun.
I don't think it would have been great fun to play in either, to be fair. The pitch was holding up so bad during that second half.
You're just trying to play a ball, that's it, stops dead.
Yeah, especially down the side, down near our defensive area, corner flags. It was holding up so bad. So I'm still not surprised it's the 0-0. They had a goal disallowed for offside. Again, yeah, it's 1-0. We don't know if it was or not. They had two chances at the doors. Sweeney made a block on the line. We had probably Larson's effort was probably about it, to be honest with you. There wasn't much chance-wise. It wasn't a great game. But in these conditions that we've had in Exeter today,
yeah,
it's probably to be expected. The drive down here hit Bristol and it was just torrential rain. It was like just a spray on the motorway. It was horrendous.
Not once did it even show us a sign of stopping.
No, so yeah, it's one of them performances where you've got to be happy with a point. I did say I'd take a point here today. Just hope Bristol, obviously, we'll know at the end of this whether Bristol have got a result today or not. But yeah, it's been a hell of a game. The referee had a debatable performance today again.
Shocker.
Yeah,
I wouldn't say debatable. Shocker. Absolute shock. That liner
and the linesman.
Shocker.
Oh dear me.
Shocker.
Not quite sure what game they were watching. Maybe they couldn't see because of the rain. I don't really know, but it is what it is. I will say though, do you know what? As the way day goes, I don't not mind the drive down to Exeter, and I don't mind the stadium. I quite like their sort of. I likened it to the Cop, like the old standing Cop at Anfield. Their end where the terracing was. I thought that was quite decent, to be honest with you. And yeah, I don't mind Exeter as a stadium, to be fair, at all. But yeah, there's not really much else left to do apart from us drive home, guys.
Yeah,
and obviously Monday, innit?
We'd love to talk about the game, but not much happened.
Not much happened in the game.
Apart from rain.
You'll see the bits that we've got to show you, and that's it. So yeah, so on to Monday. It's Birmingham at home at the Pirelli. We will be there for that one. As always, guys, if you've enjoyed the vlog, we'd appreciate a like and subscribe.
Again, 25 away from 1,000. If we
So
can reach that for the
close.
end of the season, which was the target,
Yeah. That'll be so good.
Party at the Thackers.
That's it. I'm about to have a Cornish pasty and then we're in the road.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching, guys.